Good morning, guys. So I've received this wonderful package from Dayspring Foods, actually Dayspring Foods Surface, and let me see what they have sent to us. Wow! So this is actually a purple wheat flour. It's a para-organic, and it contains anthocyanins, and it's cited to be the next Indian superfood. Well, we always eat a lot of brown bread, white bread. I'm sure you must have seen uh, different kinds of flour, and I'm really excited to see this how the product, the final end product comes out to be. Wow! So we have one more. Here it is a black wheat flour. It's again para organic. It's decided to be the next Indian superfood. It contains anthocyanins, so I'm sure this looks really healthy, and would definitely try baking something out of this. And let us just check. So it says all health aspirants can use purple wheat flour for rotis, chapatis, thepla, khakra, bhakri, pastas, biscuits, etc. Wow. Thanks a lot, Dayspring, for this wonderful samples, and I'll definitely try them and see how it turns out to be. It looks wonderful, and I'm really excited, especially this purple one. Great. So I'm sure this weekend you guys would see me doing a lot of cooking and using these wonderful products from Dayspring.